Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's been close to my heart for a long time, finding your purpose. Ever since I was a child, I've been on a quest to understand what we're here for and what our true purpose is. It felt like a wake-up call for me, and I know I'm not the only one. So, let's look at how Stoicism can help us clarify and achieve our goals. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that focuses on personal ethics and virtue. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and accept what we cannot. This mindset can be incredibly helpful in finding our purpose. Understanding purpose. Our purpose is what gives our life meaning and direction. It's the reason we get up in the morning and strive to improve ourselves. For many, finding this purpose can be challenging, but Stoicism offers tools to help us on this journey. Recognizing the search for purpose. Reflecting on my own journey, I remember feeling lost and unsure about what I was meant to do. I asked myself questions like, why am I here and what is my purpose? These questions can be daunting, but they are essential in our quest for meaning. Stoic principles for finding purpose. Let's explore some Stoic principles that can guide us in discovering our true path. Self-examination. The first step is self-examination. Take time to reflect on your values, passions, and strengths. Ask yourself, what activities make you feel fulfilled? What are you passionate about? What are your core values? By understanding what truly matters to you, you can begin to identify your purpose. When I started this journey, I made a list of things that I enjoyed and felt passionate about. I noticed patterns that pointed towards my interests in helping others and learning. This exercise was enlightening and gave me a clearer sense of direction. Focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. This principle is crucial in our search for purpose. Instead of worrying about external factors, concentrate on your actions, decisions, and responses. Create a list of things you can and cannot control. On one side, write down things that are within your control, like your reactions, your thoughts, and your behaviors. On the other side, write down things that are outside your control, like other people's actions or opinions. This exercise can help you focus your energy more effectively. For example, you can't control whether people approve of your career choices, but you can control your effort and dedication to your chosen path. This realization can significantly reduce anxiety and help you stay focused on your goals. Embrace impermanence. Stoics believe in the impermanence of all things. This understanding helps us appreciate the present moment and reduces our attachment to specific outcomes. Embracing impermanence allows us to remain flexible and open to new possibilities. Remind yourself that everything changes. Embrace the changes in life and find peace in the present. This mindset helps you stay calm and grounded. For instance, I once faced a significant career setback that felt devastating at the time. By embracing the Stoic principle of impermanence, I was able to see it as a temporary obstacle and focus on new opportunities that eventually led me to a more fulfilling path. Set meaningful goals. Once you have a clearer understanding of your values and passions, set meaningful goals that align with them. These goals should be specific, achievable, and aligned with your purpose. Break them down into smaller, actionable steps. Setting goals gives you a clear direction and helps you stay focused on your purpose. It also provides a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each milestone. For example, if your purpose is to help others, you might set a goal to volunteer regularly or pursue a career in a helping profession. Breaking this down, you could start by researching volunteer opportunities, attending relevant training, and gradually increasing your involvement. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice in Stoicism. By focusing on what you have and appreciating the positive aspects of your life, you cultivate a positive mindset. This positivity can fuel your motivation and keep you aligned with your purpose. Each day, take a moment to reflect on what you are grateful for. This can be anything from a kind gesture from a friend to the beauty of nature. Practicing gratitude helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you have. I keep a gratitude journal where I write down 3 things I'm grateful for each day. This simple practice has transformed my outlook and keeps me motivated on my path. Reflect daily. Daily reflection is a cornerstone of Stoic practice. Spend a few minutes each day reflecting on your actions and progress toward your goals. Consider what went well and what could be improved. This practice helps you stay mindful and intentional in your journey. Write down your reflections in a dedicated journal. Describe situations where you felt a sense of purpose, how you responded, and how you could enhance your connection to your purpose. Over time, this practice will help you identify patterns and deepen your understanding of your life's purpose. Reflecting on my day helps me understand my motivations and adjust my actions to stay aligned with my purpose. It's a powerful tool for personal growth. Seek wisdom. Stoicism emphasizes the pursuit of wisdom. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, read books that challenge your thinking, and seek knowledge that aligns with your values and goals. Continuous learning helps you grow and stay connected to your purpose. Engage with Stoic texts such as those by Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Reflect on their teachings and apply their wisdom to your life. This ongoing learning process will enrich your understanding and help you navigate your path with clarity and confidence. I've found great value in reading and discussing Stoic philosophy with like-minded individuals. It provides new perspectives and deepens my understanding of my purpose. Stay resilient. The path to finding and fulfilling your purpose can be challenging. There will be obstacles and setbacks, but Stoicism teaches us to stay resilient. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and remain steadfast in your pursuit. Remember, resilience is about bouncing back from difficulties and staying committed to your goals. When faced with adversity, remind yourself of your purpose and the reasons behind your actions. This will help you maintain focus and perseverance. I've faced many setbacks on my journey, but each one has taught me valuable lessons and strengthened my resolve. Resilience is key to staying on your path. Engage in meaningful activities. Identify activities that align with your values and bring you a sense of fulfillment. These activities could be related to your career, hobbies, or personal interests. Engaging in meaningful activities reinforces your connection to your purpose and enhances your overall well-being. Consider volunteering for causes you care about, pursuing a passion project, or investing time in personal development. These activities not only contribute to your sense of purpose, but also enrich your life with positive experiences and connections. For example, I started volunteering at a local shelter, and it has been incredibly rewarding. It aligns with my values of helping others and gives me a sense of fulfillment. Embrace the journey. Finding your purpose is a deeply personal and ongoing journey. By applying Stoic principles, you can gain clarity and direction in your life. Remember, your purpose doesn't have to be grand or earth-shattering. It just needs to be meaningful to you. Embrace the journey with an open heart and mind. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Your purpose will unfold as you continue to explore and grow. Every step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to understanding and fulfilling your purpose. Enjoy the journey and be open to new discoveries along the way. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on personal growth and Stoicism. Remember, finding your purpose is a journey, not a destination. Stay patient with yourself and keep exploring.